Of course, hindi natin masasabi yung nangyayari sa likod ng decision making, no? Kung lumalabas na gano'n, ito'y pinapatulan ng China sa kanilang
Yes.
disinformation upang magkaroon ng talagang dysfunction or miscoordination yung dalawa. So, lalo na kung ang statements nag-emanate sa Chinese embassy, let's remember na ito ay disenyado na mag-steer ng controversy kasi maliban sa iba ang mga interpretasyon nila sa bagay, nangingimbento pa.
Specifically, Secretary, halimbawa itong alleged provisional agreement na two years na namin tinatanong sa DFA ni Ami at saka ni Ed. Pero hindi kami nakakakuha ng konkretong sagot. Meron ba talaga o wala, no, itong provisional
Wala akong
agreement?
nalalaman na ganyan at wala akong pinirmahan or even kinonsentan na ganyan.
Yeah. So,
Hindi pwedeng gawin dito sa departamento na makisama sa anything na ganyan. But the point is there really one? No?
yeah.
With the seeming discordant messages between China and the Philippines, I think it's obvious that there was neither an agreement, neither an understanding, because there's a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
And there's always been a misunderstanding and much less an agreement. As far as I can see, because I'm not privy to anything of that nature, because I do not deal at all
Yes.
with China.
Mahalaga kasi yung sinabi niyo, Secretary, dahil kayo yung nasa frontline ng lahat ng ito.
Hindi naman DFA yung nandun sa
Kayo yung nasa frontline.
Alam natin at alam naman natin ang ating DFA ay concerned din ng ating kasundaluhan. Pero at the end of the day, ang Commander-in-Chief powers ang masusunod,
Yes.
Yeah.
guard military operations, and which the LS-57 in Ayungin is subject to that, no?
Bakit, Secretary, mysteriously tahimik yung DFA dito? Paano kung sasagutin nila, di tapos yung issue?
Hindi. Ganito, no? Sasagutin yan, palalawakin. I know another term that media uses, but I'm using the polite term, palalawakin. Ang kontrobersya. Tapos habang sila gumagawa naman ng makahakbang sa area. Ganun na estilo ng mga yan. Pinagsasabong ang ginagamit at inaabuso ang freedom of the press upang i-distort yung narrative. Tandaan na lang natin, itong mga sinasabi nila, kalinsabayan ng pag-release ng video na nagde-depict sa atin ng unggoy. At
Monkey.
saka ng iba pa. So, inuunggoy talaga tayo.
Si Ed John,
But sir, is it possible that it's a question of wording or semantics? On one hand, you have China claiming that
But insofar, I will not speculate. It's not also it's not good to add to the current controversy because that falls within the playbook of China, no, to create controversy. So I won't speculate on that. But be that as it may, it's the duty of the Republic of the Philippines, just like the DFA said, to do anything with Ayungin within our power, with LS-57, because it is a listed naval vessel.
Ami.
Secretary, kami kasi, no, hindi naman kami mga diplomat, pero si Tess Lazaro kasi, she's talking about provisional understanding. Yun ang tinatanong yata ni Ed na ang pagkakaintindi namin, yun yung nire-refer ng mga Chinese na merong agreement o understanding ang ginamit ni Tess Lazaro. Although sinasabi niya na wala naman doon anywhere in that provision saying na kailangan natin magpaalam sa China for our resupply missions to Ayungin, ano? Yung ang pagkaalam namin sa DFA, implementer lang yan ng foreign policy. The architect of our foreign policy is the President himself. Ang tanong ko lang, have you ever talked to the President about it? Dahil mukhang kayo, hindi kayo nakakonsulta about that provisional understanding.
Because
Have you talked to Tess Lazaro Or have the three
No,
of you
no,
ever
no.
gotten together para pag-usapan ano ba talaga ang ating
Pwede
position
kasi
dito?
disclose sa amin ang details niyan dahil operationally secure, magbabiolate ng aming security protocols.
Ah,
Ang akin lang ay yung mechanics, ComWestcom ang gumagawa nun. At
yeah.
ito ay pinapaalaman through the chain of command kay Presidente.
Oo.
Sir,
Pero hindi ba dapat masabihan man lang na kahit na may put-put, may konting
May busina.
may busina lang sa di ba, DND na, eto sinabi ko to sa DFA, you engage with China, habang eto naman yung DND na, of course, we will be pursuing our claim. Wala ba man lang ganun kahit sound off
Sa akin
sa
naman,
DND na ganun ang magiging policy natin?
well, sa akin naman ay maliwanag naman sa akin yung utos ng Presidente. At hindi naman natin binubuksan ang sitwasyon sa hindi natin makontrol ang level. No? Secondly,
Yeah.
ito ay covered ng Transparency Initiative, so wala ka may tatago dito. Right?
Oh.
Sir, let me put it this way, sir. What parameters are you forced or made to work with? Kasi nga, sabi nga namin sa uli naman, hindi naman DFA nagpupunta dun
There are several parameters. Number one is operational secrecy and operational security. Number two is force protection, meaning to say the vessel is not compromised and the delivery vessels are not compromised. Number three, it's sustainability and adequate provisioning. No?
But sir, in particular, for example, China seems to be insisting that they be informed at very least or permission be granted by them. As far as that's
Pero kung
concerned,
ginagawa yun, hindi namin ginagawa sa kanila yun. Hindi nga sila makatungtong dito eh. Campaginaldo, tsaka yung attaché hindi pwedeng pumasok dito. So, paano ko ba ano yan? Much less na magbibigay kami ng information sa Beijing DAFA, no? Kasi hindi secure yun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pero nothing of the sort na tipong a general notification to all countries with claims that, for example, there's going to be...
Wala.
Walang ganon.
Ginagawa lang yung the general notification pag may NOTAM, notice to airmen,
Yeah.
let's say maritime cooperative
Yes, sir.
activities, magkakaroon ng ganon. At nagbibigay tayo ng sapat na notice to comply with international regulations. Hindi katulad ng China, magpapapatak ng missile sa malayo, 3 oras lang yung lead time.
Sir, in an interview
Secretary.
last week, you also mentioned that yung Chinese boats last week, they crossed what you call the no-cross line. I suppose that's the parang the exclusion zone. I suppose that's the word for it. Parang exclusion zone around a warship. How wide or how big is that exclusion zone?
We cannot disclose because every warship has its own particular protocols. And the protocol is internal. That's why people will react if that line per vessel is crossed. Now, that is why particularly listed naval vessels keep a safe distance from each other and civilian vessels too.